how to change font and font size on Wix. So right here on your Wix editor, you can just choose any of the text that you want to change the font or the font size. For example, I want to change this our annual. What you can do is you can just double click on it until this edit text appear, and you can just click on edit text. And then right here on the font, you can just choose any font that you would like. For example, I want to change it to Adobe Caslin. And then on the font size, you can just drag to the right or to the left. And keep in mind that on mobile view, you can only change the font size but not the font. So you can just change the font in the desktop view, and then it will change in the mobile version too. And then to edit on your mobile view, you can just click right here on the top left of your screen, switch to mobile. And then right here, for example, I think this holiday sale text is too big and I want to reduce the font size of it. I can just click 2 times on the holiday sale text, and then right here choose on settings. And on the font size, I can just drag it to the left or the right. And the lowest one is 13. And don't forget, after you change or edit the text, please click on publish at the top right of your screen, so any change that you've made was published to everyone. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.